Hello everyone, these are the stainless steel pipes we produce. We are a professional steel pipe manufacturer. Stainless steel is widely used in industrial pipelines such as petroleum and chemical industries. In addition, the weight is lighter when the bending and torsional strengths are the same. So it is also widely used in the manufacture of mechanical parts and engineering structures. Steel pipes of different sizes can be customized according to needs. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us.